everyone. Welcome back to 30 ish Days with Leslie, and welcome to day 28 of the Opinion Fast. We're in the final stretch now, and today is all about tools, strategies, and habits. Over the last month, you've likely picked up more than a few new ways of thinking, speaking, responding, and even pausing. Some of these changes may have felt small, barely noticeable in the moment, but together they've built something powerful, a mindset rooted in self assurance. Self assurance doesn't come from knowing everything, it comes from knowing yourself. It's trusting that your voice matters even when it's quiet, that your input is valuable even when it goes against the grain, that your choices don't require constant validation because they're built on alignment, not approval. So today, we take stock. Let's begin by asking, what are the tools I've developed over the past 28 days that truly serve me? What inner strategies have helped me stay grounded when I would have defaulted to doubt? What behaviors do I want to make a permanent part of how I move through the world? Maybe one of your tools is pausing before responding. Maybe it's journaling. Maybe it's noticing the difference between seeking collaboration and seeking validation. Maybe it's trusting your gut in those moments you used to second guess yourself. Take a moment and mentally list these out. Or even better, write them down. Name them. These are your confidence tools. You've earned them through existence, not theory, and you get to carry them forward into every conversation, every decision, every collaboration. Think of it like building a personal toolkit. Whenever you find yourself slipping back into old patterns, you can open it up and remind yourself, I know how to listen deeply. I know how to speak clearly. I know how to walk away from situations where I'm shrinking instead of standing. I know how to trust myself. That's not nothing. That's a big deal. Today, reflect on these. What's one strategy I used this month that surprised me in its effectiveness? What is now part of my default behavior that wasn't before I started this fast? What's a new phrase, habit, or mindset shift that I'll continue using in my daily life? As we approach the final 2 days of this journey, keep your eyes open. You might notice small shifts more clearly than ever. Those moments when you pause, speak up, or walk away with grace. Tomorrow, we'll look ahead to how you will keep growing, because this isn't the end, it's the foundation. Until next time.